Groups opposed to North Carolina's voter ID law are disappointed today. The U.S. Supreme Court has blocked an appeals court ruling that would have halted provisions of North Carolina's new voter ID law. News 13's Frank Fraboni joins us with what this means for the upcoming election. So, Frank, how does this change things?
Well, Darcel, a ruling that lifted the ban on same-day voter registration and voting in the wrong polling place has been thrown out. This means people fighting North Carolina's new voter ID law are back to square one.
They can end up at any of our precincts to vote.
People who will work Buncombe County's early polling places attended training today in Asheville.
And all the residence halls on campus have a street address.
And making sure students and all other voters are registered and voting in the right place is a top priority.
If you try to go to a precinct that's outside of your home precinct, your ballot won't be counted.
That's one of the provisions the Supreme Court says stays for now. Another is no more same-day voter registration, a major setback for groups opposing the voter ID law.
When you start the battle, it is a long engagement.
The president of the Asheville branch of the NAACP calls it a major setback, but one they'll continue to fight by bringing people to the polls.
We're going to vote. You cannot let the fact that this has happened stagnate your getting to the poll.
But before you go to the polls, you must be registered. And now voter registration won't be allowed during early voting. You can pick up a voter registration card from your local county board of elections office. The application has to be filled out and received or postmarked by tomorrow.
There is no registering and voting at the early voting sites. There's only voting.
Again, the deadline for voter registration is tomorrow. Early voting begins Thursday, October 23rd and runs through Saturday, November 1st.